Indies has released the list of centrally contracted players across all formats, with top all-rounder Jason Holder being the only player to be given an all-format contract, meaning he's centrally contracted for both white and red ball cricket. Now, saying this and saying that, though, the most conspicuous omission is that of 23-year-old Shimron Hetmyer, who is not contracted for any of the international formats. And this, to me, is quite instructive, because over the past 3 or 4 years, Shimron Hetmyer has been highly touted as the next big thing in West Indies cricket. He was the captain of the world champion under-19 team in 2016. He's a super talented left-hander who many think has the talent to dominate across all formats. But having opted out of the tour of Bangladesh and was not selected to play against Sri Lanka, supposedly for fitness reasons, it seems like no, Hetmyer is not the savior anymore. Instead, he was off to the IPL representing the Delhi Capitals with some sparkling innings, looking quite happy and contented. So look, this Hetmyer journey encapsulates the current harsh reality of West Indies cricket. Our top young batsman could not care less about being an international West Indies star, because it is much more lucrative to become a franchise T20 star. I've been telling you. I've been telling you.